Hey everyone, today let's talk about another key term in affiliate marketing, and that is a CTR, or a click-through rate. What is CTR? CTR stands for click-through rate. It's a percentage that shows how many people clicked on a specific link compared to how many saw it. In simple terms, it measures how effective your content, ad, or email is at getting people to take action. For example, if 100 people see your ad and 10 people click on it, your CTR is 10%. Why is CTR important? CTR is a vital performance metric. For advertisers, it helps evaluate whether your ad is engaging and targeting the right audience. For affiliate marketers, it shows how well your call to action or content resonates with your audience. Higher CTR means more clicks, more engagement, and potentially more sales. How to calculate CTR? The formula is simple. CTR equals the number of clicks divided by the number of impressions multiplied by 100. For example, if your banner ad gets 2000 impressions and 50 clicks, it looks like this. CTR equals 2.5%. What is a good CTR? CTR benchmarks depend on your industry and the platform. For example, a 1% to 2% CTR is common for display ads. For email marketing, a 2% to 5% CTR is generally good. Check averages for your niche to set realistic goals. Tips to improve your CTR. Here are some actionable tips to boost your CTR. Write compelling headlines that grab attention. Use clear and relevant CTAs or call to actions like shop now or learn more. Target the right audience to ensure your message resonates. Optimize visuals with eye-catching design and colors. Quick example for clarity. Imagine you're promoting a fitness ebook. Instead of a generic headline like Get Fit, try Transform Your Body in 30 Days. Download the free guide. It's more specific and engaging, increasing the likelihood of clicks. And that's a quick overview of a click-through rate, or CTR. It's a crucial metric to track in affiliate marketing to measure the effectiveness of your content and strategies. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out the other videos in our glossary series for more affiliate marketing tips. See you in the next one.